Nasty Money Runs. My name is Water Bobby, MC R1B.
And my own name na Becca Bleed.
You suppose now we dey run every Tuesday at this kind of time, man. Sorry, say we dey start late though. At this kind of time, say we dey get the evicted housemate from the Big Brother season 6. The boss team with us as we dey reason with them. They ask them some question. Why you dey look me like? But they speak pidgin, Mike now.
Before go.
I can't even wonder. You dey look me like okay, now pidgin they speak here. They not tell me before. Anyway, we get the evicted, the last evicted housemate from the Big Brother Naija season 6. We get Tega for the building. We get Boma for the building. We get Peace for the building. I don't know whether you bring peace come to this. I will find out. Then we also get the one and only Mike. I won't call you lover boy, but more leave that one first, Sha. We'll reach there.
This guy remind me of Sammy, man. I miss my
Sammy. Oh, okay. Now my guy, we interview and when the portion come on the house too. They say we want interview now, so as the portion come on for the house. Anyway, now welcome to Naija FM. We'll get on that first of all. Like this now, all of our question right now. At any point, we'll not expect say now go be the next housemate to be evicted. Make I start with a piece. You ever get a feeling?
I can't see no in my mind. I can't even lie to you. But then I believe say like you don't know waiting they happen when you're inside the house. You understand? Waiting I believe is say game day inside the house and game day outside the house.
Okay.
You play your game inside the house well, then you know go get nominated. But this one everybody stand up. So honestly, I just dey ready for anything. Whether I come.
You feel say you play your game well inside the house?
I play my game more. I swear, like.
You really sure? But you not do
pretend?
relationship now. No, but
but I don't want to do relationship. That one day too. I'm dissatisfied, and that's the most important thing.
you sure say really dissatisfied?
Dissatisfied. For real.
Or person not do relationship, you still dissatisfied. Okay, no problem.
I see that
So, Mike,
yeah.
You be expecting and say you go day evicted.
Of course now, because I came in 2 weeks after. You understand?
Yeah.
So I didn't think I'll even
Go that far.
Do you get or be that successful in the show? Okay. But the way the thing went, I'm satisfied, man. No cap. Yeah,
you happy?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, move to the other angle right now. Starting from Boma, first of all, you expect say they go pursue you come up for house last Sunday.
Yes, I've been expecting now. I don't even. I exceed my expectations, sef.
Okay.
I don't even feel like I'm supposed to even come out.
But you be when you did the house, you be the paints this picture of like say you did confidence, say man for outside there you get doings.
I know people, but the actions were like now 2 games. Like I know I know people pretty much. Of some say I don't do many things, before I can even reach this stage. Both for because I don't live for like 15 countries. I don't do plenty. So I feel say I know people, and if now people they vote, but then people where say if you don't even do your side, then it gets some certain things where I just look and say, man, like she's like Peace talk now 2 games day inside the house. Inside the house, I mean they do well because I don't ever come up for eviction. But outside the house, some certain things
they're different.
Go rub off and everything. So I mean just expect and say if he go both ways, but any way come we go take out.
So what about you, Tega? You expecting too?
The way I've been to live my life for that house, I mean they live my life every day na my last.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm not one sense we go just they make me the pressure. If you just wake up one day, biggie, so you can't come out. Everybody with their name start from T, can't they go? So I be just stay ready, prepared. Anytime it's up. It's just how many I wanted just say then say, oh yeah, you have entered the house. As I open door enter, so yeah, can't they go?
Just to enter the house.
Just to enter the house. Now me I be just one.
So you would happy say you last pass that
6
one.
weeks.
Straight. Not be beans.
All right, Peace. Make I come back to you. For the first week, you and Arnie. This wild card matter. I know saying I take them very, very, very serious. It come like saying I even take them to another level. So people when they feel say we like saying na detective work no before here. Now don't they do detective work before now even enter inside the house. But that time when we say you can't realize say Maria and Pere be the wild cards. How you feel?
I shocked die.
Okay.
I can't even lie because Maria, see, I tell you, when I do my investigation based on detective stuff, Maria will call me, oh yeah, come!
You go confuse you.
Download everything, give the babe. She will say, wow, you mean now? You get, so, I mean, I was...
It just gotta be.
But
Yeah.
this is my thing. When they tell us about the wild card, they say if we find them,
Yeah.
they'll come out.
They'll come
Meanwhile, we don't say we did 22. You
Yeah.
understand? So we don't say the thing no balance.
It not balance as
standard.
it's supposed to be.
So if we don't find them, they go pick who go. If it be me, I mean, they get
Yeah.
nomination.
So now make una carry the matter for
me,
head.
I just say not the game. If you're not supposed to be the game, they not go put down for the game.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So I not take them personally.
Okay.
And another thing we say, if I fail them, I fail them. Now the people stay. Nothing spoil. You get my point. So I just say okay. And I feel say if they give them that kind task to do, something good day for them. That's just how I felt. It's not gonna be complete loss.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
And we can't feel like me, I still dig and by surprise saying I'm Maria.
It shock
She's
you.
babe. But I don't blame her, she
still
was
move
fighting
on.
to stay. So,
Yeah. All right, Michael, make I come to you now.
Alpha.
You know, say after you enter inside the house for 2 weeks, after 2 weeks, rather, a lot of people, they actually see you as a strong competition. I don't know if you notice that.
Yeah, of course.
So for you now, who be your the strongest contender waiting inside the house at the moment right now because you don't come out already?
Contender, I'll say my G, Liquor Rose, and I'll say White Money. The two strongest contenders.
But what be the occur between you and Jackie B actually? Because at some point, bless so not too they confused, but I'm not really they confused. What be the occur? Like today, like even yourself, you get sometimes bless you can't tire, but you still continue to push. What really?
You know when you tire, if you sleep and wake up with more energy, you understand? But that one is small chops.
Yeah.
But you know, we're just figuring things out, man. To be honest.
But you be really like her, you get true
yes
likeness
now,
for
yes
her.
now. If I don't, I won't be.
So why you feel say okay? You feel say she be the hold back on her feelings, or she just not feel you the way you be the feeling?
Small, small. That's my own opinion.
Okay.
But I'd rather wait for her to come out the house so we can discuss it.
Or maybe you feel say like because you're not inside the house,
Exactly.
now maybe she don't want to show herself.
Exactly.
So after the house now, waiting for you happen, can't happen.
We're loading. We're in a loading ship.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's my new thing now. We're in a loading ship.
Loading ship,
Loading.
loading
Yeah.
ship.
Loading.
Okay,
Boma,
over to the other corner right
but maybe
now.
I come back to you right now. For a lot of people, some people actually think say the fight, maybe say you fight with Angel. Some like a night to when a night to eviction night.
No, same day. No. Same day where the voting they close.
Okay.
On Thursday.
So I want make you just highlight a little bit wetin really happened between you and Angel wey cause all the old gbege because at the point Nini and Saga they talk say na your fault say they evict you say because if assuming say you no do that fight with Angel they fit no evict you say na that fight with Angel make them evict you for come up from house. So if you just highlight first to us wetin be that cause of that fight between you and Angel.
Okay, so first of all, no, I go take responsibility for myself because I'm a grown man, so I need to take responsibility for my actions. So now something we be say now small thing we can become big thing.
But who be really go tell people when make Angel para? You know, say now gotta did
the
the wrong.
thing be say
Who do the
you
telling?
know, she as she come outside, she tell the Koros and Nini already.
Okay.
Say wetin happen for here. But the particular person wey I tell because Queen and me been dey cool that time.
Yeah, when she just bust in the enter the house.
I tell Queen out of closure. No be say me she kind of like she say she no fit sleep for 3 days. Something they worry. I say no, they worry yourself. Nothing happen. Nothing happen when never happen before.
Okay.
Make just relax yourself. But now Queen can't carry him specifically. Go tell Angel.
But
Because
when Angel come, why you know? Because you can't cause change pass. She become calm like, hey, what's up? But you can't be like, say you can't over para. Even cross be they like, why you dey overreact, bro? I just feel say you for explain to her, say, see how it happen.
I don't know whether they show her for camera, but I tell her say Alpha. Now she say fuck you. I don't want to have this conversation with you. You're annoying me. Now it make me vex like that. I don't know whether people wait here and here and people wait here, but now waiting happen be that. So, but as she tell me, that word, let me look and say, waiting happen. Why you dey tell me that word?
Okay.
Then she talk and 3 times again.
Now you take caution, on
Now
the
I
raise
take
voice.
calm. I can't react to her. I'm say, yo, why you dey follow me? Because say me and you they play, or me and you they cool, now cause all this kind of thing. Now I've talk. You for just tell me say you don't want to follow me talk. If it makes sense. So all this kind of thing. We say waiting start the problem. Nobody go see him. That your reaction people go see or people will come
later see.
halfway. Then as a man too, know how way you go feel win that kind of thing. When you're a woman quarrel, you just no say you go down the losing side. So it came
Anyway,
out,
sharp. A lot, in fact, a lot of focus is on the not just you body, but also Tega body. I just want right now, since for the past 2 days right now, how una do the hold on? I know so now certainly pick up on a phone from Sunday night.
No,
Waka Cornish.
no.
When they give on our phones?
No, they give
Monday
us on
morning.
Monday. We do psych, we see psych first.
Okay.
And because you guys did prepare. Man, I don't even know say bad like that.
But how far you don't be, because I did worry. I pay attention to mental health a lot. So since they already try imagine, we already comment when they go around based on your actions and take our actions. How you don't be for now since then?
For me, they bad though. I dey get death threats. Like will kill, like death, like I dey get real death threats.
Yeah.
So you dey follow people wife, you dey do this one, you dey do that one. So my mom see like 2 out of my team two people been there hospital based on say they been breakdown, so they been the fear for me. Say if we did the team, imagine say they get.
So that make I ask you that how your state of mind be right now?
Nah, just rugged, man. I rugged. Like I even did surprised for my strength. This one not even normal strength. Now
so
from
that
God,
apology when it come from you yesterday, now really from your deep heart, or you just don't be based on what people they talk?
No, absolutely. Say as human being now, nobody perfect. You go don't do some certain things, and you can't realize it. Damn, I for not even doing that way if I know. And I make us be human beings. Nobody perfect.
So Tega, what about you? I just want to know how far it up be for you since I don't hold up. Okay.
You choke all around, like you choke. Pieces.
Okay.
But as it be now,
You see they hold on.
Don't tender apology.
Okay.
To every other.
But I never see a public apology. Now leave Boma.
And only Boma post them. But me, I don't
listen.
collect my phone.
Okay.
I don't do my own yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, sharp. Before I want to ask you the next question, I just want to make and declare. Wait till the 12 on our door. Wait till happen between the 12 on our for inside house. Not be saying a new thing. You get me? A lot of people they judge you now right now outside the house. Don't do worse than the 12 on our. You get me? The difference between our own show for cable TV, their own never show, and nobody don't find out about their own. You get me? But at a point inside the house, you ever feel say I'm not supposed to do this thing based on say you be married woman, we should make no clearly to everybody.
Basically, for me, like that place where we did so now, world of our own. You understand? And
A lot of emotion they fly.
yes, now world of our own. So me, I've been just there live my life. You understand? I've been just one catch cruise. Suck up every moment that comes. You understand? So as I come now, I can't say, don't push everybody go wall. And of course, I take responsibility for them.
But okay.
As it happened.
Okay. Even as inside the house and outside, your husband, I believe, say based on the pressure when you notice people they complain, but if they do some kind of
interviews,
risk management outside, after you come outside, the reason why they do what they do right now, be like saying, I pay back to say he don't cheat on you before. Like at a point, as a man, I feel if he not really be true with this guy they talk, and the same if he still be true, or you just want to help you manage the outside reaction when people they react to your doings. So at any point, does that one really happen? At any point, your husband cheat on you when you catch him.
Down on personal stuff, right? Now,
right now, not the personal again, because your husband got it out yesterday.
To me, it's still personal. You get even if in talking yesterday, come out from my mouth, and from my mouth, it come out from you get so and. Your reaction, the way me I live my life, your reaction no fit cause me to do anything.
Okay.
Get I they react based on waiting my own
waiting,
brain
not
they
be
tell
say
me.
now
Not be
waiting
say
you
you
talk.
cause me say say you do me bad thing, I'ma do you back. They work like that for me.
So it's just you playing out the whole game.
Yeah,
for
not
inside Big
just
Brother
me.
house.
I just they catch my cruise, they enjoy myself. You get.
Sorry.
Alright, so
just,
if you get any chance now to change anything, out of everything we don't
When
have
that happen right now?
waiting, we want one or two things that
When you
you
like
go
change?
like to change from your experience in the Big Brother house.
For all my experience for Big Brother house, right? I'm not sure say I regret anything. No, aside this whole situation.
Now the everything be that actually now.
No, be the everything be that too. Because there were times where I been get low times and high times, and I appreciate every moment because it came with growth. You get. So I know if you trade those moments for anything in the world.
Okay.
I know if you change anything, will be happen for that house. It don't happen.
It don't happen. Okay.
Yeah, so
Moving forward right now, I just look your hand on to see your ring first of all. And your husband says since you come out the house, you and I never communicate. Reason day for that one, why gap day for our communication?
now waiting on her here now. We don't talk.
You and I don't talk this morning.
We don't talk this morning.
So why can't they lie yesterday on top live Instagram?
Even yesterday we don't talk.
Okay, now I'm not gonna lie give you. I they try make some observation from waiting that they happen. Now say your husband they try one use this opportunity they didn't know Or because certainly for you, what you they talk now different from waiting talk yesterday night.
I don't know. I don't know.
You will go as far the talk say if you will come back and apologize and go accept you. And I don't go like if you shock so many Nigerian men when they say now break up, now divorce. So with the hope say like.
Funny enough, well, good. We don't settle. We don't move on from that side. You get whatever way been talk yesterday. Even you want talk for future. Me, I they like work based on my conscience. You get. I like they say, talk your truth and die, or no talk true, you go still die. So me, I rather talk my own truth, die. Man, I know so I die with my own conscience clear. You get. So, if another one come out for the future, though. We move still regardless.
Okay. Before we move there, Boma, just round up this whole arrangement right now. I believe say from your apology, I already feel say you don't dey sorry, but I like really know as a young guy, you don't dey married before. Inside the house, at any point you feel say what they do right now not supposed to do. Because even I think a day before your eviction serve, you even they go like I think they come to your realization. When I date together for up, where when they play snooker, they don't know what they do you. They put you they start to Tega. They put you where hyenas. The hyenas, they go chop you. I don't know if you remember that conversation. So I feel for you to even have that discussion, I think maybe you don't come, bless your error. But now waiting happen now based on the house environment.
Basically, man, just that na game show for me. Big Brother na game show. Vaccine na reality show. No mean saying I'm a reality with that. Me, I'm a professional actor. Na, I just the freestyle. Because majority of the things that happen for that is not my real character.
Okay.
And everything. So
but it don't shape what people think about you right now.
I understand. No, now why I did, talk about saying no be my reality with that. People will know me. Know me and people way, won't talk about now game show now eventually. Now people say you deal with they see camera where they look you. They look camera they look you and so sometimes because number one thing is say, to enter the show, you don't want just waste, you won't make impacts, you go just go with the flow. If you get plans sake now, what I want to do before I enter house. Yeah. But as you enter house, things go just happen, we go shape you. You don't know the people we want to go meet now. Nobody say if I know you now, you be my guy. I know what to expect from you. But I don't know Michael before. I don't know. But so if I read there, I'll come adjust myself. Okay, now I'm not to live here like that. I live for New York. So the things that they carry Barbara for maybe say a big deal. No be big deal.
And if you say I make you not to reason out too.
I don't reason them at all, but I don't stay in New York for 10 years or how many years. I don't come up for Naija since 2010. I also enter come see family. I know they act for that. I they act for that side. I they act with people wife now. So if I day script now, they give me. And I know everybody watch Power. Yeah. On my radio, you don't get two picking. You don't get wife for house. You know day with the other one. So
then
me,
they do the redo for those things.
Then they do the redo. I don't
do
just
acting
now. Acting, all of us they act.
Even those ones won't see now acting all of them be. Okay, that means the script writer we need to look for and then.
Peace, make I come back to you. During one of your diary section, Biggie they ask you one or two questions about how you feel about the housemates in the house, and you mention say you and Tega say una they fake to each other. Say in fact na fake laughter una they get to. Don't be say. Friendship communication or friendship they will. So I want to ask you now, since you don't come out from the Big Brother house, how your friendship or communication or relationship be right now with Tega?
I mean, we still there as we do. I no feel like we still there as we do. The babe, she they make me laugh. Na funny babe, na funny sense and by now say na funny babe. But I just feel the vibe she they give me inside the house.
Not they really.
Do you understand? I mean, I pick up from that vibe, and so we just they go
like this.
They laugh, frown, they frown. And so my life carry be. They're very easy, but it no mean say I hate her. No chance at all. I no feel it anymore.
Okay. All right, I want to come back to you, Michael. For the audience with outside the house, at a point we feel say a lot of people no really respect Angel, like a lot of the male housemates. So some of the audience or fans going to think say probably because of the way we say she they throw herself. Maybe she get this flirtatious. I don't know.
Now you kiss now when you enter the house. I
didn't kiss anyone.
Nakevi. So I want to ask you now. You feel the same feeling with the audience? Say indeed, say housemates not truly respect or not really respect Angel. Plus, you feel saying a flirtatious nature. I don't know. Now you make them, not really respect her.
Yeah, to be fair, I can't speak for the other housemates. Yeah. But I can speak for myself though, and I can answer that question directly and honestly. So at first, I got that vibe, and she was kind of annoying to me. I'm not even gonna lie, just from the outside looking in, because I didn't really know her. But then when I finally got to know her, even if it's just for like just a small part of my time in the house, forget no reason. That's a very deep girl, man, and I actually like her a lot. Like as a human being, I support her. She's a very, very deep individual, and I would like to see more of her layers for sure.
Okay. Now, sharp right now, because I know a whole lot do happen inside the house and see it happen right now, but we not feel look without to not look into the future right now. For you right now, you the plan go back or you want base right now for Nigeria and waiting, you the plan also to chook and put too?
Yeah, I'm back home, man. I'll go back. I'll visit briefly in January. Most likely, but I'll come back. You know, this is home at the end of the day. Like I've spent more time abroad, but this is still home. My mind has always been here. My heart has always been here. That's why I'm here in the first place.
So the music part of you now will see more of all?
Big time. You see a lot of that. That's what I'm leading with. So it's straight to music. I have music already out, so I'll most likely put videos and promote. You understand? And I have new music that I'll drop, and of course, new music that I'll release, new collaborations that I'll release for sure.
If we were to ask you right now, say, waiting with that message or that lesson you don't carry come on for the Big Brother house when you kind of like shape or one shape who you be or you plan to be, waiting will be that.
Patience. Patience is truly a virtue, man. Patience is truly a virtue. Real talk.
All right, Peace. They don't tell you say you look like Simi before.
Before I get plenty look at me.
But you be like saying that the hungry Simi.
Get out.
No. Sorry, don't feel bad.
Cap, big cap, I lie.
Because when you actually there for house, a lot of people they talk say, this guy really look like Simi. So I don't know if people don't actually tell you before say you look like Simi.
But they look like plenty.
They look like plenty people.
But inside the house though, if you want big girl love interest, who they close to that arrangement for inside the house?
No, don't start.
Before,
No, now why you there?
I mean, plenty of them they're attractive. I don't feel like.
Which one be really dey your eye when be?
Cross na fine guy.
So why you not go for
We
Cross?
get Michael did there. Michael na fine.
So why you
guy.
not go for Michael?
Man on a fine guy. They plenty die now.
So the one way for life settle for which one out of these
Then
three?
you say my neck.
Okay.
I get
So it's
plenty.
possible say right now, say if outside the house, you and Michael don't dey run things, Abi.
Na my Jeep.
You don't turn out to Gio
Jackie
now.
na my babe now. I'm gonna stop that.
Later we'll come here for reunion. Say now only 1 second, 2 seconds. No, reunion go certainly come. We go wait for you.
Holler.
Oh boy.
oh yeah, now let me come back to you, Boma.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one round. Say when you and Angel they talk about achievements, say okay, now Big Brother with highest achievement, maybe say she don't get so far, blah 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 blah. And it was later that I got to know say you did for Blacklist that series.
Yeah.
Abi?
Yeah,
Abi, which
yeah. I did a Blacklist.
Blacklist, yeah. So apart from a Blacklist, now which other movies you don't actually stay inside?
I've been there on the cast for Protector of the Gods, but we know I don't know what they go don't do now, whether they don't shoot or they never shoot. I need to call them.
Okay, to find out.
Yeah, I've been there in the process for Wu-Tang as well.
Okay.
Wu-Tang season 2.
Okay.
Then some other things where I don't even shoot whenever I've been called. I've been doing short film and everything. So because me, I've been just even pick up my acting career. I just pick up
Yeah.
as well for that way. And
Before this Big Brother is coming, right?
yes, before this Big Brother is coming, then I've been I did.
You did think about Nollywood?
Yeah, I don't do two. I
Ah.
don't do
So
two.
directors of the blacklist now already. See, now they ask. Now one say no, now not feel say.
Say Nollywood
say
don't
not
be
be dumping
dumping
ground.
ground.
I don't even know see that tweet, and I don't know how
Yeah.
to take and do.
No wala. I mean, really, no wala.
But first of all, not be only be the director for Nollywood, so you not be speak for everybody. First
I
of
know
all,
even myself. I know they work with every director. So as director, get choice. Saying they
You too
choose.
get
As
choice.
filmmaker, get choice. How they choose. I go school. I go New York Film Academy. I know be just person where they work out for
Okro,
streets. You know how to go.
Okro.
You know, okra. Then you can't go, baby. You know, so. So me, I don't go just. I know they beg. You know, I know I go school for this. Thing. I get. I get all A's. Let me say, I get. That's why. I know what if you hand something will end, they no dash me. So I don't go meet person say I beg now put me for film. No.
So certainly from your yarns now right now, it be like say you go back to your base, but see the fluctuate.
I get my own
Nigeria.
project I won't shoot. I get production company for New York on my own. I get film with me I won't even do by myself. So I don't be they say so you go create your own opportunities and stuff.
Certainly when people they want close door on you.
Exactly, now their own door they go close.
Okay, just to declare during this whole drama when it come up from actions inside the house. Your wife come outside do video like. Why do they support Tega? Your own day against you. Yes, I know. Yes, like.
Bros, you know what we always talk. Make nobody ride my wave, man. Anybody want make it go work hard. Yeah, may they not call my name. I don't call. May they work hard. You know, achieve success if you easy. May everybody just free me. I don't go even give some kind of people attention. As they try as me, I just shoot the thing come out. Okay. I've been mad. I go choose my battles, man. You know, right now, forward whatever I get projects what I need to do about domestic violence, about mental health. I get short films.
I go support you for that mental health.
Yes, I beg, man. I need all the support. You know, but now, you know, it's also a deep. I don't even sound for more angle where we say, you know, when we do one project for mental health about, you know, where we say some certain symptoms, you know, where they happen, where we say I don't even know before, but now even they're more enlightened about them, and I'm really looking forward to it, man. With all the support. Yeah.
All right, so back to you now, Tega. So what's next for you after Big Brother?
Before I go talk that one, I dey always talk say I go use every opportunity where I get to
clear the airway.
I know say I don't offend plenty people. Like, you know, you rub off a lot of people, millions of people.
Even data say they deny you, so you not come from them. Where you come from actually?
I don't come from data, Sha.
Okay, just bear their name.
Yeah, you understand. So as it be like this, everybody don't deny me.
Even see, that make I talk earlier. I say the people when they deny you, they are closet, they are cupboard worse past anything when they
I know me, I no go judge anybody right now, and you get so. I just they go with the flow.
Okay.
First thing first, I don't apologize. You get.
No, you need to make a public.
I go do am public. I just they get my phone, so I go do am public. Now that I want they wait for, so I will do it.
Starting from your husband, have you?
No, we don't clear the air. My husband. I don't tell you before.
You don't talk to your baby, your speaking since?
No, I never talk to him. I go talk to him today.
You be there with your husband or you did somewhere?
No, in the house.
With your husband? Okay. I just want to get something clear. Who be the manager of social media handle? Now your husband?
Okay. Before I enter house, I'm being supposed to handle him.
Okay.
And my cousin. You know. Okay. So at a point now she can't run him.
Okay. So your husband can't give up.
Yeah. Can't run him. So.
Okay. But how will they handle your social media?
I get a whole team. I get manager. I get publicist.
All of them.
I get
because I don't go like give you. You need to increase their pay because someone they make the situation look calm with the cruise that they catch for each of una comment section. You get so I need to increase their pay.
Even though 2 of the people from my own team they sick now. They do hospital.
Okay, now they will fall down based on the matter.
I they get death threats. So for real, like death threats, and nobody go laugh about that kind.
No, you can't laugh about it.
2 people from my team. They've been in the hospital because they broke down the kind of things with people
they talk.
Even one of the people within my team don't lose his mama. Like his mama died, they say instead they say they swear for her and join him. They say no be Boma be this. They say no Boma. You said good die join. Like so it's just really
no it is natural. Wait till I see for so hand they pass. It's
toxic.
All right, Michael, you be the highest housemate with the highest money.
Right now.
Now your money plenty fast.
I want to share
because how far now?
Send accounts.
Money where they never give her. You want the house for account.
You don't say maybe send accounts now.
Okay, sharp right now. New opportunities certainly now be these, and they also depend on how una plan to manage and at least from una yarns. You share with us what will be your next phase, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I like really know right now. Marriage did that plans.
Time love come like so it has always been my
before the house. You be get boyfriend.
Oh,
you guess it. Okay.
My boy.
Okay, just vibe now. Just anytime finish, just say your collect, move on. But right now you plan to stable.
When my own relationship, they say friendship was ground first.
On ground.
So if relationship come up, friendship goes to me. That's so my own thing.
They collect revenue back to back. Okay, Michael, what about you? If you get relationship outside or
no,
plans,
single.
Plans of settling down there?
With Jackie B.
No.
No. Like, say, okay, you know what settle with Jackie B. Why you call the phone before?
You just want to play with her?
No.
Or now the house give you feeling just
no,
so.
it's undefined. It's undefined. It's loading. But I will say, I'm looking forward to seeing her outside the house and building something outside the house for sure.
That's nice.
For sure.
Okay, so settling down for you now. No.
Not anytime soon. Don't tell you.
Tomorrow is no promise. Me, I don't know. My life is loading.
Okay.
So I did.
So I don't know whether or not to ask, but my settling with the way Poma don't get experience of ex-wife before. I don't know whether I get plans to go back there But my plans, or you just want to focus on shooting?
No, I go. I'll be only child,
Oh,
so
okay.
they don't disturb me. I'll be first grandchild, so I'll be 34 now. General, I'll be 35. I don't,
So you must actually
at some point.
But baby mama plenty that side now, so it don't mean anything.
But my mom still want get family.
Okay, family background, arrangement.
I still Christian home I come out from.
Okay.
So they just want to make everything just day normal. So I dey try, but we'll see. And I go down the day.
Okay, so this one are for every one of you now right now. Now don't weakness the inside game, now don't weakness the outside game. For the people who in the inside right now, you believe say go be the
winner.
White money.
Okay.
Glass is strong well. Then liquor.
But why? For instance, you feel say they strong before?
I know say they strong.
Serious?
Because my white man, I can't realize say white money elder brother than my guy.
Okay, way back, yeah.
One come tell me say, damn guy. So white money been they look me say me I be in competition because white money know some things about me.
Okay.
But people don't know because when I come they know some things but people don't
so
know. So
insinuation be done day regarding to how white money take they get things right. Even Pere go as far they talk say
he get somebody when they give him information.
He say when he get somebody when bring a come brother and so white money get person so he dey give her information.
No,
so
white money get descending spirits. Now just give it. You just do. White money
to get things right.
Do your own thing, man. White money don't like wala. You just go your own way.
Yeah.
White money not my guy.
So you believe say Pere they do overdo?
Period on they say if you just see maybe anybody will become very come to play game, come to win the game. So if you be correct,
He not the real actor for inside the house.
no, the actor for real life actor.
Actor,
So and also so basically Perry just come, he won't win the game. So if you be competition for him. Because even as much as Perry is smart, me and Perry will go they cool outside, but inside the house, if Perry get chance to come on, me go come on.
You go push
and
you
I
come
know,
out. Yeah.
you know, so in the look and say, guy, you be my guy, you boy. If you go day my way, I go shove you come out.
Yeah.
I know hard feelings. Like
90
game with the
million is a
play.
lot.
Exactly, like game with the play.
So for Tega,
Tega,
who you believe say go win?
Normal na. Right now, as it stands, as I don't come out for the show, so person where they top the charts, the two people where they top the charts for me right now, Why Money Liquor Rose.
Why Money Liquor Rose? Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Why Money Liquor Rose.
Okay, so peace, who you feel and Michael?
Well, clearly, you know how the game they go now. They enter a house, they already pick their winner. So it be like say people don't already know from the jump. I don't know. You know how it they be now.
Having this information, why you not quit start to the art or more like you from the first
I
week?
know if act or this kind of thing. Like I am who I am. One day I go
She's
just
a peaceful
display.
person.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
I will not say either you're hot or you're cold. Or, like something must be.
Day when they attract
win.
people to
You know what I mean?
yeah.
For
Okay.
me, I'm who I am. There's nothing about.
So who you feel say go win?
We not say either white or liquor rose now. We don't already see this thing.
Michael, you still feel?
Yeah, I feel the same way. Well, I feel the same way for two different reasons. So I think Liquor Rose, because that's just my G. You understand? I'd like to see her, even if she doesn't win, just go as far as possible, top 2, top 3. You understand? Okay. So that one is more personal. And White Money as well, because he's my statesman, and I also think he has the strategy for it. He has the best strategy, and I think he's gonna execute it. So I don't think anyone is standing in his way, honestly, because he knows he has intuition, but I think he also has game plan, like pre and post.
But I feel say White Money they real on top of doings inside the house.
That one I don't know.
I feel Boma, I feel say they real.
You get one day, I think it be like that Saturday. No, not Saturday, I mean na Sunday.
Yeah.
I think Sunday morning. I don't enter kitchen, I look at her and say, see, when you come up from this house, I will give you award for best strategic player. Person will come inside house with strategy and they play the thing and you know they affect me. In strategy, you know they affect me. I like his strategy, they cook and they chop. I like the strategy.
But now just go dominate and yesterday. Now you know they complain now.
Normal now. Okay. You don't reach that time where we say people will start to fish people out. You get so.
Right. Before now go, say a different kind of ships they inside that house, and we know Nini and Saga, Licoros and Emmanuel. So, I get them now. Licoros and Emmanuel.
No, Saga and Nini, yes, Licoros and Emmanuel. So which one una
So
say?
which one you think say
they
real? Which one you feel say na just joke?
Licoros and Emmanuel abeg na then they real.
Nini and
Saga and
okay.
Nini. Saga and Nini. Yeah, e dey different angle. Nini dey real, Saga dey real, but they collide.
They collide together. So, Boma, what about you? Who you feel say they real inside?
Nini they tell everybody the whole world say she
boyfriend.
get boyfriend.
Boy,
So no, I just feel say Nini don't talk her truth, but you know as you did the house, somehow,
you just need somebody for companion. We know that one.
Exactly.
Now why they talk say married people not supposed to go that show? No, I think we need to make that correction because
for Nigeria,
for judge people for their actions right now. More not the create a venue to judge them.
Exactly.
More they avoid married people for that.
Once you enter the house, now na different worlds.
It's a
Bro,
different
who no go
world.
no know?
Emotion dey flow.
Who no go no
inside the
know
house.
until you enter the house, open door, enter. Now you go know say Mokaki no be leather. So praise
Oh yeah,
God.
now Peace and Michael.
Well, Saga and Nini. Well, it's very obvious. I've been with them actually. I don't date with them. I did always done my people with
Yeah,
them,
sure.
funny enough. He really actually adores the girl.
Okay.
That's standard, like no capping any of that.
Okay.
But you know, she has what she has outside. And they always tell her I'm straightforward. Like she always tell her, say I get man outside. I will tell you right now, I will collect my man over you anytime. You understand? But at the same time, he's grown on her.
Yeah.
So she's used to him. She likes his company, and nothing bad there. But liquors and Emmanuel, standard, they like each other. That
Okay.
one day.
Michael, same feeling?
Yeah, same exact thing that
okay.
Pete said. Same exact thing. And I think Liquorose and Emmanuel for sure. I think the Saga and Nini thing, Saga like it's not in a bad way or anything because he even admits that he doesn't mind playing this game, but I think it's more like a backup, like a just in case. You understand?
Tire.
Exactly. So I think when she comes out the house, depending on how her
outside
situation
you can be.
reacts, then that's how she'll
You go come move.
Saga,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh yeah, now last
Thank you
words
very
for
much.
your fans. Last words to Big Brother Naija because this one a very huge platform
Yeah.
for all of you. So which last words na get for our fans plus Big Brother Naija?
Well, last words for BBN for me, man. Big shout out to Big Brother Nigeria. Big shout out to all the production company. Big shout out to everyone involved in it. Thank you for the opportunity. It means a lot to me.
Okay.
Shout out to the Samurais, man. You understand? I
Oh,
didn't
now your
expect.
fan name be
yeah,
fan business
yeah.
Samurai.
You know I go on,
You dey
man.
carry sword soon.
You know, yeah. Big shout out to Multi Choice as well,
Yeah.
man. Big shout out, shout out. And shout out to the Samurais once again. I love you with all my heart, man. I didn't realize I'll get this much support because I came late. But it's been overwhelming. It's been fantastic, man. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for rocking with me, man.
Oh yeah,
We
now
move.
Peace, your turn.
Well, you know what it is. Thank you for the Big Brother platform. It's been amazing. I appreciate it a lot. And to the A's gang, you got the magic wand. So thank you so much. The huge support is like surreal. And I really appreciate it. It's still the little piece, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you. again.
Little but mighty. Boma.
Yo, so thank you to Multi Choice for this opportunity. Thank you to Big Brother, and thank you to my fans, Brave Hearts, because man, you know, as so many people they send me death threats and stuff, some people still show me love, and to me, which goes a long way. You know, just thank you, just thank you, man.
Okay. Tega, over to you now.
The platform where I've been on the fine for many years now.
Don't
So
come
I
low.
could just say thank you so much, Big Brother. The platform, for the production team, you guys did an amazing job. Thank you to Multi Choice. Oh man, without you there'll be no Big Brother. And thank you to the tribe. Oh my God, you guys are coming through to everybody. Where if you say I don't mess up, or I don't waka leave the normal road. What I suppose I beg, Muna no vex I beg.
Official
Muna
apology
forgive
on
me,
top
abeg.
Naija if I you do so.
Yes, so
una
I beg.
record down.
Muna forgive me, I beg. I take God in beg una so that we go fit move on.
Okay.
You know, onto greater things. Thank you so much, guys. I love
It be like say Boma remember about something. One agenda.
Apology to the family of Tega.
Okay.
Apology to the family, the husband of Tega.
Now things like this we want to hear.
Apology to the family of Angel and Angel fans, Tega fans. They more than no verse.
Who you offend again? Me, you had the ninja.
Everybody
when you offend.
Everybody will
Apology
offend,
to
but
them.
Apology to them. No be the intention. When our game will
Yeah.
play, I just hit of the moment.
Yeah.
Now one love, man, but no verse.
Okay. Okay. I wish you all love right now. I wish you more success on top of your new journey right now. Michael, Peace, Boma, and Tega. And I really hope see every for now go, you go dey legit and you go dey correct based on how now team manage the arrangement. Thank you.